Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a really quick one to show you how I do my eyeliner using the sellotape hack. This sellotape hack makes life so much easier when it comes to drawing on your eyeliner, a lot less stressful, and I feel like it's something that everybody should learn to do. Before we get started on the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave me a comment below to let me know what you guys think. My socials will be in the comment box below as usual, so if you guys have any questions for me, want to talk to me, tweet me, DM me, whatever you guys want to do, you can go ahead and check me out on there too. So if you guys want to see how I did my liner using the sellotape hack, keep on watching. So my skin and brows have already been prepped, and I'll begin by concealing my eyelids using MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NW45, and just using my finger I'll be dabbing that on top of my eyelid. Using this brown color from the Morphe 350M palette, I'll be taking a blending brush and adding that to my crease as my transition color. Next, I'll be using this red brick color from the same palette, and I'll be using that on top of my lid. For this look, I'm going to keep it very simple with just two colors, as the emphasis is on the eyeliner, which is coming up soon, guys. Just hang in there. Just so this look is not too boring, I'm going to smoke out under my eye using the same brush and the same color. You'll need to cut off a good length of sellotape and line it up against your waterline at the angle where you want your wing to go. Sellotape has the right level of stickiness, as masking tape is not sticky enough and can come off, and duct tape is just way too sticky and becomes a mission to remove when you're done. Now, using your favorite eyeliner, this can be gel, liquid, or even pencil, you can start to draw out your liner on top of your lash line and adding on the wing towards the end. Depending on how dramatic you want your eyeliner to look, you can either have it very thin or just keep building up on it if you want it to be very thick. Using this matte black color from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'll be using an angled shader brush to set the eyeliner. This will give it a more intense black look. And when you're done, you can just gently peel off the sellotape, leaving behind a nice crisp winged eyeliner. This is optional, but to make your eyeliner look even sharper, you can go under it with a concealer and angled brush. So this is the final look. I did the rest of my makeup off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!